we got a 2021 Acura RDX key fob here. This is how you open it up if you want to change the battery. We're going to remove the emergency key first. We're going to get to the sliding button, slide it to the left, hold it, that unlocks the emergency key. I get a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to pry the remote open. Okay, so it does split in half, but this is a safer way of doing it without damaging the sides. You can go over here and pry out the sides, but you don't want to do that. Put it in here like this, just give it a pry. Okay, see how it opens it up like that. Now when you do this, you want to have the buttons facing down. You want to be careful not to jiggle it around too much, because all this can come falling out. Okay, you want to hold it all together. You can hear how the buttons just got really loose. So I took that cover off. So we're going to hold this down like this, and we're going to pry the battery out the bottom. Okay, battery size is a CR2032. If you need a new one, I'll have a link down in the description box where you can get one.